One of the first steps that you will take in the home purchase process is speaking with a lender. You will fill out their mortgage application, and once all of the documents have been reviewed, they will provide for you a pre-qualification form. This form is necessary to write an offer or enter into a contract to purchase a home. If you do have any questions about this form, please reach out to the lender directly, as they are the ones who manage the form and fill it out on your behalf. So your actual rate, payment, and cost could be higher. Please get an official loan estimate before choosing a loan. Line 1 states the purpose of this pre-qualification form is to be used in conjunction with an Arizona Association of Realtors residential resale real estate purchase contract or vacant land lot purchase contract. Line 3, 4, and 5 would only be filled out if you have not consulted with a lender prior to completing the offer. Line 6, lender indicated on lines 36 and 37 has consulted with your name and submits the following. They will state your marital status. They will state whether or not you are relying on the sale or lease of a property to qualify for this loan. Line 9, buyer is or is not relying on seller concessions for buyer's loan costs, impounds, title and escrow company costs, recording fees, and if applicable, VA loan costs not permitted to be paid by buyer. Please note the amount seller agrees to contribute, if any, shall be established in the purchase contract. Line 12, buyer is or is not relying on down payment assistance to qualify for this loan. Line 13 identifies the type of loan, conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, or other. Line 14 states the occupancy type. Is this your primary occupancy, secondary home, or non-owner occupied? Line 15 will state the type of property, single-family residence, condominium, planned unit development, manufactured home, mobile home, vacant land, or other. Line 17, lender provided buyer with the HUD form for your protection. Get a home inspection. This applies to FHA loans only. Line 18, lender completed a verbal discussion with the buyer, including a discussion of income, assets, and debts. Line 19, lender obtained a tri-merged residential credit report. Line 20, based on the information provided, buyer can pre-qualify for a loan amount of X, assuming a monthly principal and interest loan payment of X, provided that the total monthly payment, which includes principal, interest, mortgage insurance, property taxes, insurance, HOA fees, and flood insurance, if applicable, does not exceed X. Line 23, interest rate not to exceed X percentage. And it will be determined if it's a fixed interest rate, adjustable interest rate, or if a prepayment penalty would apply. Line 24, initial documentation received. Lender received the following information from buyer. Additional information may be requested. Pay stubs, W-2s, personal tax returns, corporate tax returns, down payment reserves documentation, gift documentation, credit or liability documentation, or any other documentation. Line 30, buyer has instructed and lender agrees to provide loan status updates on the Arizona Association of Realtor Loan Status Update Form to seller and brokers within 10 days of contract acceptance pursuant to Section 2E of the contract and upon request thereafter. Lender information. Line 32. The lender identified below has prepared the information listed above with the buyers and has completed the above action points noted. This information does not constitute loan approval. All information provided must be approved by an underwriter, and any material change in buyer's credit or financial profile will render this pre-qualification null and void. The above pre-qualification expires on X date. This will be signed by the lender, and they will provide all of their relevant information. You will be asked to sign line 42. Again, if you do have any questions or concerns about this document, please reach out to myself or your lender as we move forward in the transaction.